Now, there's one other factor here that's really key, and it's much more sophisticated than you would expect for a simple organism like this. So they have this first-order set of machinery that allows them to integrate all this information. Okay? But it has the settings of that machinery are not fixed. In fact, the organism can adapt and habituate to different changing signals by altering how much of these different proteins it makes. So there's a second-order level of regulation where it allows the organism to govern its own policies of what to do and use that context to change things. We're going to see, when we talk about nervous systems, that we have exactly the same kind of a thing. We've got some slow control systems that provide context for the fast control systems. And the slow ones include things like, what are our goals? What are we trying to do over long, extended periods of time? And they contextualize our sort of immediate, momentary decision-making. So what I want to argue is that even there, in this really, really simple example, there's already an exercise of a kind of agency, at least a proto-agency, where the bacterium is not just being pushed around by things physically, it's taking in information, it's integrating that information based on its own state, based on what's out in the world, and it's coming to a holistic decision about what to do in a way that fits with how it's managing its own behavior and physiology through time. Now, what I'm arguing there is that the information has some meaning for the organism, and that the meaning is what's important in that system.